Hello guys, this video talks about how to use a tool called Optimum FOPID to tune a fractional order PID controller. It is from Dr. Dingyu's book, Fractional Order Control Systems, Fundamentals and Numeric Implementations. Here is a brief introduction and a description of this tool. It is in the FOTF toolbox. You can get that toolbox from the MATLAB add-ons. Click the Get Add-ons and then use the Add-on Explorer to search that toolbox called FOTF. FOTF. Here you can see that toolbox and click then install that toolbox. After that, you can use Optimfopid command to launch that interface like this. Here. Before using that, we need to make sure we have inputted a G, that is the plant. Now you see that the plant I have inputted is like this. It should be use the FOTF type. After that, go back to the optimizer and then click the before click the optimize, we need to choose a controller type. Here we choose PD lambda and optimization criterion and an optimization algorithm. We choose pattern search and then click optimize. From the command window, we can see a bunch of numbers floating. Here, we've got the solution. And now the solution can be reached by type GC. Here it is. This is a solution. And we can use the interface to plot the curve, closed loop response. And then you can see the closed loop response like this. Here is, that's it. Thank you.